Yeah, that's exactly what I want you to do. Perfect. You're in first gear, no gas, right? Look, you're not looking far ahead enough. I want you to look far ahead. You look at that next turn, right? There you go, girl. Awesome. Yeah, just look, right? Perfect. And look, there we go. Sage, you need to chill out because they're gonna kick us out of here. I understand, but you're going fast and don't be going over there. Stay on this side, okay, please? I don't want you to be, yeah, last thing we need is to get kicked out of here. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob here. I'm here on a beautiful rainy day. Remember, look ahead. Look far ahead. Turn that head. There you go. We are here training in the rain. Do bikes work in the rain? Absolutely they do. But you know how many people that would go out on a nice sunny day only to get caught in the rain and then they get into a panic mode? Oh my gosh, what do I do? Bikes, I can't ride in this rain. Or they end up, you know, not going to ride just due to the fact that they're so worried that they're going to get caught in the rain. Well, this is where we do some extra training. Nice. Again, look far ahead, Bailey. Look where you want to go, right? Look at that, where you want to go into it. So yeah, always good practice to get out and actually practice in the rain, just for the sake of it. You don't have to go out on the streets or anything like that. Just find yourself a nice little car park here where you can get some good, nice, slow movements, just so you know what rain feels like. So unfortunately, I'm not using my Bluetooth audio headset with my Senna here, just due to the fact that the audio quality is so crappy, which brings us to another segment. If you're going to invest money, don't invest money into a Senna 30K. It's junk. Hey, see, now I'm connected with these guys here as they're running on the Senna 20 Evo, and I still have the Senna 30K, and normally I use a GP10, but it's just been nothing but an absolute chaos mess. Bailey, are you still there? Bailey? Bailey! Who's there?
I am.
Sage is there. Bailey, I think you pressed your shoulder, didn't you? Okay, but Bailey, are you there? Are you there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you're there. So that's funny. So you press yours and it kicks both of us out, and then I can't even... You kicked me out again.
Yeah, I pressed mine.
All right, get up to the top, Bailey. And once you're back on the top, get in here. Keep going all the way and then go back around again, okay? All right, just go and stop at the yellow. Look left, turn left, and go. Accelerate into third. Go. 2. What are you doing? I told you to accelerate into third. Oh! Huh? You put into second. Okay, come towards me, come towards me, come towards me, come towards me, come towards me. Go. You did it. Okay. Yep. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Watch that yellow paint. No, I know that. I'm just saying, watch that yellow paint. You don't want to ride and drive on the yellow paint itself. Ready? Yeah. Stay a little bit on the side of the yellow paint. Don't go on the yellow paint. Ready? Go. Atta girl. Oh, it's going to be a rainy day. Okay, now I want you to go all the way to the end, and I want you to do slalom around those big poles in third or second gear, but acceleration, okay? So turn around. Left, turn right, turn right. No, you don't need more space. You need to look where you want to turn. There you go. Now accelerate. Come on, accelerate. Go. Stay close to the poles and look. Look where the poles are. Good. Now look far ahead. Atta girl. Again, there you go, just to show you that, here, sorry, just to show you that you can actually ride in the rain. It's raining quite a bit here, so, you know, the only things that you really have to watch out for is the painted lines. The painted lines tend to be a little bit slippery, but other than that, like water and rain, that doesn't stop a bike at all. So keep training, keep practicing. It's always good to get used to being able to ride in the rain or any kind of elements that you'd be subject to. But other than that, have fun, be safe, be good. Thanks for tuning in for another episode. It's a rainy thing. And hopefully the audio is good enough. All right, cheers, peace, be good, bye-bye. She's having so much fun, she's giggling. Alrighty. Bye.